Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put seats down in Buick Encore. Begin by opening the liftgate and looking for the seat release levers on the cargo side or on the top of the seat backs. Press or pull the release while lifting or lowering the seat cushion, then fold the seat back forward until it locks flat. Check for obstructions and ensure seat belts are not trapped for a secure load. In this video, I will explain how to put seats down in Buick Encore. First, remove or stow any loose items in the cargo area and on the seats. Next, reach for the lever or strap on the seat back and pull firmly while guiding the seat forward. If headrests interfere, adjust or remove them, then fold the 60/40 sections individually for the best fit and flat cargo surface. In this video, I will explain how to put seats down in Buick Encore. If a seat resists, double-check for anchored child seats, cot belts, or objects under the cushion. Apply light lubrication to pivot points if movement is stiff and inspect cables for wear. Always consult the owner manual for specific guidance and never force a mechanism, as that could damage the release or the seat structure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.